Stop by and take a look at the 2020 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling. So here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, ventilated front seats, rain sensing wipers, speed control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.